Want to keep your HubSpot account more secure in 2025? One of the best ways to do that is by enabling two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. In this quick guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to find and set up your two-factor authentication settings in HubSpot, so your account stays protected from unauthorized access. First, open your web browser and head over to the official HubSpot website. Log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon or the word Settings. Click that to access your account settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down or use the search bar to locate the section labeled Security. Depending on your HubSpot layout, it might also appear under Account Settings or Privacy Settings. Next, find the option that says Set up Two-Factor Authentication, or simply 2FA. Click on it and HubSpot will prompt you to verify your identity. This is to make sure it's really you making the change. Now, HubSpot will guide you through the setup. You'll need an authenticator app on your phone. Popular options include Google Authenticator or Ori. If you don't have one installed yet, download it from your App Store. Once your app is ready, HubSpot will display a QR code. Open the Authenticator app, choose the option to add a new account, and scan the QR code. The app will generate a time-sensitive code. Enter that back into HubSpot to confirm. After confirmation, your two-factor authentication will be enabled. From now on, whenever you log in, HubSpot will ask for a verification code in addition to your password, keeping your account far more secure. And that's it. You've just learned how to find and set up your two-factor authentication settings in HubSpot for 2025. Take a moment to enable this. It's one of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your team so everyone can stay secure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.